Hello guys, I'm Milad. Welcome back to another tutorial on the 3D Redbox channel. We are going to talk about how can I create the perfect lighting for kitchen. First of all, I want to introduce two different lighting system. It's the difference between Corona lighting and HDR lighting. Both of them, it's perfect lighting, but when we mix together, we can get the best result, or we can get the better result. Now, in the first step, I want to show you the Corona Sun. The Corona Sun is the easiest lighting system in a Corona. If you need the sky, you can just add the Corona sky environment here. Press yes, and for better control, I turn on Corona LightMix. Here, set up LightMix, generate, and from the camera, start the interactive. Oops. Here again, open it the light setting. Open this. Where is my setting? Yeah, it's here. Start interactive. We can see the result very easily. Wait, I want to add it a corner light, a corner MTL. It's simple corner MTL. Where is the corner? Corner MTL corner legacy. It's where is the corner? I can't open it this. Oops. Corner legacy here, and assign it the corner legacy to the corner setting here. Add this as the material override and assign this here. Okay, we have the override color here for better understanding what happened in our scene. The next step, I want to control my light, my corner light and environment light separately. Look at this. When you use it, the corner sky, you have control on your corner sun and your environment light separately. Look at this here. When I changed the skylight, the environment light be lighter, and when they decrease it, the environment lights, obviously it's darker. As you can see, when I decrease the corner sun, it's a decrease it and it's a darker, and when I increase it, it's a bright. Okay, now you know what's the Corona Sun. I told you and I mentioned it, the Corona Sun is the easiest easiest lighting system in the Corona. And in next step, I want to add HDR. What's the HDR? HDR, it's HDRI. It's mean high dynamic range image. Call it high dynamic range image. It's not a normal image. The HDRI is the good image and high dynamic range image, useful for lighting. And look at this. For using the HDRI, we need two important options: rotation and gamma. What's the difference between the rotation and gamma? For first step, for rotation, I want to use corner Corona bitmap. It's good. I bring it Corona bitmap here, and I want to add HDRI to our scene. Look at this. I bring it an HDRI. If you need HDRI for free, you can use it there. You can use it the HDR Haven. I open it the website HDRI Haven. Sorry. Poly HDRI. The Poly HDRI is for free HDR. There are a lot of for free HDRIs, and you can use it in your scene. And very easily you can select anything and download it. Just this. Come back to our scene and add it. I want to add a Corona HDR. I want to add HDR to Corona bitmap here. For rotation, just do it. Increase or decrease this. It's rotated. But for lighting, for adjust your lighting, you need the gamma. What's the gamma? Wait, I want to bring Corona color correction. Corona color correct. In Corona color correct, right click, hide, unuse, and input the HDR. Corona color correct include the gamma. What's the gamma? Gamma is the best option for control your light, your color, and your shadow. It's mean when you increase the gamma, your saturate increase, your color desaturate, your shadow to be softer, and light to be decreased. It's mean your light to be darker. But invert of this, if you decreased your gamma, your color saturated, your shadow be sharper, and your light be brighter. We want to use in our scene. Look at this. I want to turn off the Corona Sun. Turn off the Corona Sun here and edit this one. It's mean Corona color correct to the scene environment. Oh, look at this. Add it here and press the instance. It's mean everything we change here, we can see the result, we can see the impact from here. And I want back to our camera. Look at this. If change the gamma, your scene to be darker and your shadow to be softer. If I want increase this, wait, I want to stop it and set up LightMix again for see the HDRI in the LightMix. And again, press play. We can see the HDRI light here. Increase the HDRI light environment. We can see the as you can see the shadow edge. It's very softer. Okay. Wait, I want to add something to the window for better understanding. Okay, look at this. We have the divider in our the kitchen, and but we don't see the divider from here on the lighting. But if I decrease the gamma like this, when I told you, when we decrease the gamma, our contrast increased. What does it mean? It's mean the light points, here are the light point. It's mean the light point to be brighter and shadow to be darker. So our and the result, our shadow to be sharper. Look at this. Look at this. We can't see the shadow here. I want to rotate it. Rotate it. It's mean. Maybe. Look at this. It's not good. Maybe this. This. I want to increase. We have the shadow here added. I remember what happened on the window frame. On the window frame, right click, object properties, cast shadow. Okay, now look at this. Look at the divider in the middle of the scene. For increase the sharper, the shadow sharper, we can decrease the gamma. Oops, it's so high, and it's sharper than before. But if you want to softer shadow, you can increase the gamma. When increase the gamma, your lighting decreases. It's inverted. It's inverted together. But here I need to increase. I need to increase the lighting, and we have a better lighting, but the shadow is softer. Again, increase the gamma, and again increase the environment. Here we don't have the we don't have the divider. It's completely softer. It's completely softer than before. Okay, but another things, the other hand, if you decrease the gamma, your color, the HDR color image, it's mean saturated. What does it mean? Wait, I want to change it. I want to change to this. Okay, we have a blue color and we have a green color. We have two color in the scene. It's very sharp, and we can see in our image. Decrease the environment color. We can see the color, the yellow color in our scene. I want to decrease it. Look at this. Look at here. We have the blue light and blue color from here, and we have the green color green color from here. If I want to decrease it, we can see it's exaggerate. It's not useful, it's not good, but it's exaggerate only for better understanding. Look at this. We have the color, the blue color here, and we have the green color here. Only because we decrease the gamma. But we increase the gamma. We don't have the color, the light and the color, both of them is the balance in our scene, and it's so good. If you need the decrease or increase the gamma, you have to control based on your needed. If you need it, you can decrease it. If you need the sharper shadow, you have to decrease it. And if you don't need the sharper shadow and you need the softer shadow, you have to increase it. Okay, now you know what's the difference between the Corona Sun and Corona HDR. In this step, I want to mix together both of them. The Corona Sun as a direct light and Corona HDRI as an environment light. Look at this. I want to mix it together, both of them. Turn on the Corona Sun from the camera. We have the Corona Sun. Turn on the Corona Sun. We have the Corona Sun here. Obviously, we don't need two direct light. Here we have the two direct light. One direct light from the HDRI and one direct light come from the Corona Sun. We don't need both of them together. We need only one direct light. So here only we need the Corona Sun as a direct light. So I want to remove this. For to remove it, it's not, it doesn't mean turn off. It's mean we have the gamma, we have the environment light in our scene, but we don't need the sharper shadow. So, as I mentioned, for softer shadow, we have to increase the gamma. And environment, increase the environment. Again, the gamma, we don't need the shadow. Look at this. Look at this. That's good. We have a bright environment, a bright light environment, and we have the very sharp Corona sunlight. But it's not good. The scene, it's mean, it's overexposed. But again, we have a light here. Look at this. We have a light here, and for better control, back to rotation to 0. We don't need that light, only we need the environment light. And look at this. Decrease the Corona Sun like this. Decrease the environment like this. We have the sharp, very realistic sharp shadow, it's mean, and we have the very good lighting in the scene. If you increase your brightness in the a darker shadow, you can increase the gamma very easily. And I want to back to see the results with the material. Look at this. Turn off the MTL override on our scene and play interactive. We have very good lighting in our scene. And again, I can't I can adjust it with the material for better result. If I want to increase the I want to increase the results and the contrast, sorry, and light mix environment. I think it's enough. It's good. That's it. It was very easily. We can adjust the lighting like this. Look at this. We have a very good lighting without the Corona Sun, only with the use the HDR. Just this. If you need the shadow, you can increase the gamma, and if you need again the shadow, you can turn on the Corona Sun like this, but it's the Corona Sun now, it's 0, and we want to add it some corner light from the other side and the cabinet. That's it. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you and you can use it in your scene.